welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Manmarzi Girl. So if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Today is 30th November and tomorrow is 1st December. So it's my parents' anniversary tomorrow. So I wanted to give them a surprise, and so for that I'll make a homemade cake and we'll do some little decoration for them, and we'll do the cake cutting at 12 o'clock. So for that, first of all, I need to do all the preparations. So cake takes around half an hour or more than that to get cooked. So first of all, I'll put the cake to get baked. So let's get started with that. So guys, I am making a red velvet cake for the occasion. So I have started the process. So I have made the mixture, the wet mixture, and now I am adding in the dry mixture. So I'll quickly make the batter. So guys, I have transferred the batter into the cake tin and now it's all set to get cooked. So guys, I have put the cake tin in the cooker now, and it will take about 35 minutes to 40 minutes to get cooked. So we'll wait till then and we'll do the decoration. So guys, I've kept the cake to get baked. Now we'll do the decoration stuff. So I have got some balloons for the decoration, heart-shaped balloons, and nowadays that curtain, golden colored or several metallic colored curtain kind of things are coming in the market. So I've got that as well. So we'll figure out how we have to do the decoration. So first of all, I'll show you the space and the seating arrangement where we'll do the cake cutting. Guys, for this time, I thought we should do a sitting arrangement like on the floor. So I have kept this mattress, and now on this wall, we'll do all the decoration, and let's see together what we'll do more to make it look more beautiful. Guys, these are the two things I was talking about. These are the heart-shaped balloons. So I'll make a flower kind of bunch out of the red ones, and we'll see what we'll do with the white ones. Maybe we'll do the same. And this is the curtain kind of thing which I was talking about. Let me open it. I just got it, what they said. I haven't opened it yet. Let's see together how is it, and will it look good or not. So if the video is a little moving or like that, please ignore that, because I'm doing the shooting myself only. So they said that it's a 6 by 3 feet curtain, so it is quite long. Like, I'm opening it, it was wrapped around this cardboard. So this is how it looks. It's quite very long, yeah, very much. See, this is the full length, and I don't know how we'll hang it, or maybe we'll just hang it at a less height and we'll put it somewhere else later on. Let's see. First of all, let's blow the balloons. By the way, guys, this is looking so very pretty, and once we hang it, I'm sure it will look amazing. Out of these balloons, like what kind of bunch I have planned to make, I'll just share an image of that, and I hope it comes out properly and it looks good. Guys, अभी 7 balloons blow हुए हैं, और मेरा brother भी इसमें help कर रहा है. So we are inflating the other balloons as well. By the way, guys, it's a very tough job. मेरा मुंह थक गया फुलाते फुलाते. अभी इतने से ही फुलाए हैं, अभी तो और भी बचे हैं. So I hope जल्दी से हो जाए ये. So guys, cake is also cooked. It's 45 minutes. So अब ये cook हो चुका है. अब मैं इसको थोड़ी देर कुकर में ही छोड़ रही हूँ, and after 5 minutes I'll take it out. Now finally all the red heart balloons are inflated. Now I'll take the cake also out, because if it stays inside for a longer time, it may burn. Guys, cake is cooked perfectly and it's quite airy and spongy as well. When I put the toothpick in, it felt so. But one thing has happened wrong, like not very much, but yes, it has become dark in color, kind of a very dark red, because like I'm making red velvet cake for the first time. So it's okay. If the taste is good, then it's fine. I've kept the mold on a rack like this so that the heat goes off, and I have covered the cake with a wet cloth so that it stays moist. Guys, I'll make a bunch of 4 red balloons and maybe a golden or a white one in between. So first let's tie these into a flower kind of shape. You can use more balloons as well, like if you want to follow this kind of decoration. Using a white thread, I'll tie them together. Guys, this is how the pink balloon is looking in the center. So this is like looking good but not very good. Now I'll show you the golden one as well. I can't ask you in the comments as well that which one I should do, because I'll be uploading the video later on. Guys, now this is the golden color. I think this is looking better, so I'll just make the bunches with this combination only. गाइज आई होप ये अच्छा लग रहा है. अगर ये थोड़ा ऐसे मतलब पुश्ड इन होता तो और ये फ्लावर का लुक देता, पर मुझसे ऐसे ही हो पा रहा है, सो आई एम डूइंग दिस वे ओनली. गाइज, दोनों बंच बन चुके हैं और ठीक लग रहे हैं. मतलब मेरे हिसाब से, मैंने खुद बनाया तो ठीक ही लग रहे हैं. कुछ तो डेकोरेशन अच्छी हो ही जाएगी. अब हम डेकोरेशन का काम थोड़ी देर में रिज्यूम करेंगे. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू टेक आउट द केक फ्रॉम द टिन. गाइस, केक एकदम परफेक्टली कुक हुआ है और साइड से भी बिल्कुल स्टिक नहीं हुआ है. नाइफ प्रॉपरली जा रही है. अब बस इसे आई जस्ट फ्लिप इट ओवर ऑन द प्लेट. गाइस, हेयर्स आर ब्यूटिफुल केक, पर इसमें कलर एक्चुअली चॉकलेट केक टाइप का आ गया है, काफी डार्क आ गया है. पर I'll find a way to fix it. I hope. Guys, the decoration is also done. I have hanged the balloon bunches from which I've created a flower. And on the tube light, I have just fixed this curtain, this metallic curtain. So this area is looking very pretty. And I'll just blow some balloons and put them random over here, so that will also look good. Now it's time for decorating the cake. So guys, over here I am also making a gel for the cake. I have taken 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of corn flour. So like this gel is used for decorating cake. So it will make our cake look really good. So I'll add some red food coloring in this as well. So this is going to look very good, and I hope the cake looks a little like the market. So I'll try to decorate it like this. I have whipped the whipping cream as well for the frosting and decoration. So it's kept in the fridge. Once this is ready, we'll start decorating the cake. Guys, now the gel is ready. This is also called neutral gel. So now I'll allow it to cool for some time. Since I have added a little more red food coloring to the gel, so now it's looking the perfect red color I wanted. And here is the cake. I have divided it into 2 layers like this. Now we'll start frosting it. So guys, I have used a kind of hack or a jugaad to make the rotating table for the cake. So I have kept 3 bowls like this, and on that I have placed like thali so that I can move it this way, and on that I have kept this cake board. And now I'll start the decoration. So here's my whipping cream. I have already whipped it. Now on the cake board, first apply some cream so that the cake stays on place. And now I'll put the next layer, like the first layer of our cake. So the bottom layer actually. So the cake is so soft, I need to handle it very carefully. Now this cake will go on top. I have liquefied the same gel which I created. So I've added more water so that I could make a sugar syrup out of this. Now we'll start pouring it, and just pour a little as the cake is already moist and really soft. So I'm just pouring a little of this. Guys, I have made the first layer. Now I'll repeat the same with the second layer and show you later on. So guys, after 2 to 3 hours of मेहनत, the cake is ready. And I hope ये अच्छा लग रहा है. थोड़ा अच्छा तो बन गया है, मतलब डेकोरेशन में भी काफ़ी टाइम लग गया मेरे को, जेल बनाने में, देन विपिंग क्रीम रेडी करने में और केक बनाने में, सब में अराउंड 2 to 3 hours तो लग ही गए. पर अच्छा बन गया एंड आई होप मम्मा पापा को पसंद आएगा. अब मैंने मम्मी पापा को तो बोल दिया, वो लोग जल्दी से रेडी हो जाएं पार्टी के लिए रात की छोटी सी. एंड अब मैं और भैया भी रेडी होने जा रहे हैं. तो लेट्स सी यू आफ्टर दिस. Guys, this is the final look of the cake and all the decoration. Everyone loved it. I have placed some candles also over here, and I had this small table. I have kept it here in front of the seating area. This curtain has brought so much fun to the decoration. It looks awesome. I hope you all also like the video, and maybe you also got some ideas for small celebrations at home, anyone's anniversary and all. Don't forget to like my video, share it with your friends, family, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.